Hi guys, I am back with my new video. How are you all are? I think you all are fine as me. So as we know that in my previous video we have done an activity named addition calculator, and in that video only first of all I have explained what are operators in presentation form. Whoever has not seen that video, I will give link in the description box. Please view it. Okay, so today's activity is just related to the operators. If you have remembered, we have made shapes using pictoblocks only. Okay, so in this time we will make just by writing its sides. It will able to make the shape. In that we didn't know anything using operators, variables, and many more things. So let's start making it. First of all, let's open Pictoblocks. I have already opened it. Now, as we always do, we have to take Sprite as a pencil and Bedrock as a XY grid. Okay, let's make first pencil and Bedrock as a XY grid. Okay, XY grid. See, now go to the costumes, select it and make it this center point. Now let's start our script. So first of all we have to go to events palette and take out this when the flag is clicked one. Okay, and next we have to load one extension called pen. We have done this in our earlier activities too. Now from here we will choose pen down option. Okay, now we know how to make a variable, so we have to make a variable called sides. Okay, let's make it. Okay, now set my variable to sides as much we want. Okay, I think by mistake I have done that comma one also, no? Okay, I'm making one more. Okay, now whatever side we will have, we will do this. Okay, and now from the control palette we have to take a repeat block. Now in the repeat, as we have created one variable called sides, we have to pick up and do it, because that will repeat that much times only, that which time the side would be. That's why it will store data and then it will give to that. And now so that thing is okay. And now here we will make motion block and move 10 steps. This one 2 times we have to insert this. Okay, we can just change it to this one. By mistake I have turn this much degree. Oh my god. Now using operators, the divide section of this circle part we have to insert in both the things. Now as we know that the angle is 360 degree always. 360. Now here we will do, and same thing we will type in turn also. Okay, so 360. And now here we will do this variable called sides, here also and here also. Now between this we have to go to control, and here we will keep this one 0.25 seconds. Okay, our script is ready. Now here it's 0. Let's see what it is doing. It doesn't mean anything because we didn't do sides. Now let me make the side as 50. Okay, let's see that how it is. Okay, it is drawing, you can see, and 50 this thing would be there, I'm sure. Okay, Okay, you can see the result now. Let me make triangle 2, no? 4. It will be squared. Hmm. Let's see 3. Okay. As we know, 6 is hexagon now. So let's see 6 2. Yes. Let's see 5 pentagon. Good. Let's see Nanagon 9. No, 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 no. So you can see it is drawing shapes. For erasing, you can go to pen and you can erase all. Just we have to note down sign and it will automatically do it. This like last time we have entered 9, so here it is showing 9. If we don't want to show it there, now we can try it in long thing too. Yes, so it is now. Let's make it small. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like this. And yes, I would be telling you all that my videos are from starting of the coding part. Even I have given that what is programming, what is PictoBlocks in my first video itself. I will give all my links, whatever videos, line by line. You can see it and you can learn coding from that. And it's line wise. It's not like that first is this, then last I'm telling you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you.